The Uganda People's Defence Force (UPDF) today held its 44th Tarehe Sita celebrations in Kyotera District, marking the 1981 armed rebellion launched by 27 fighters against the government of President Milton Obote. The event was graced by President Museveni, who was accompanied by the First Lady Janet Museveni. Several high-ranking government officials attended, including the Vice President, ministers, NRM party leaders, Chief of Defence Forces (CDF) General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, and Inspector General of Police Kagaba. They were joined by foreign dignitaries and military attachés. As customary, President Museveni inspected the parade. In his speech, General Muhoozi Kainerugaba strongly criticized the Supreme Court ruling which halted the trial of civilians and armed personnel suspected of being involved in criminal activities in the General Court Martial, calling it unacceptable.
Your Excellency, I will not go into details. We shall discuss this in the High Command. But, Your Excellency, this development is very unfortunate and quite unacceptable. It could herald a national security crisis, threatening the effective command, control, and administration of the defense forces.
He assured the public that despite the ruling, the UPDF remains committed to protecting Ugandans while maintaining discipline and professionalism.
That said, we cannot and shall not abandon or compromise the UPDF Historical Mission under any circumstances.
General Muhoozi revealed that the UPDF is working with the Ministry of Defence to draft amendments to the UPDF Act as recommended by the Supreme Court.
We are in the meantime working with the Ministry of Defence and the Attorney General to see that the necessary legislative amendments are made to address the mandate of the military court-martials.
He also urged President Museveni to address the Supreme Court judgment.
We urge Your Excellency that you address this matter as soon as you can.
Regarding the upcoming 2026 general elections, General Muhoozi warned that the UPDF would firmly deal with any saboteurs.
This year will be a political campaign season. We will also be on the lookout for saboteurs, both within and without. The intelligence services are working overtime to make sure that we are aware of all the evil plans of some of these people.
However, in his speech, President Museveni did not publicly respond to Muhoozi's concerns.
By assuring the people of Uganda, as General Muhoozi has assured you, that the UPDF has all the capacity to protect you, supported by you, as well as protecting your property.
Instead, the President blamed the poor planning by the Ministries of Finance and Works for the delays in rehabilitating the Masaka-Mutukula road.
They build new roads and forget old ones. That's how this road from Masaka to Mutukula deteriorated until they came in when it was a bit late. We have now told them very clearly that consolidate the old roads before you add the new ones.
At the conclusion of the 44th Tarehe Sita celebrations, 41 Ugandans, including army and policemen as well as civilians, have been awarded different categories of medals for their contributions towards good governance, peace and stability, and economic transformation. Among them is Major General Felix Kulaiji, the Director, Defense Public Information. I am Juma Kiria reporting from Kyotera.